Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Pusheen wearing this cute froggy costume. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off near the top and let's draw the face. Let's start with 2 curves down and out for the mouth. And then on either side, let's add a circle for the eyes. And then let's color both of them in black. Next, underneath, let's leave a gap, and in the center, let's draw 2 curves up on an angle like this for the hands. And next, let's draw a large oval around the face. And then let's hop to the sides and let's add 2 curves for the whiskers. And that's it for the face. Next, let's draw the shape of the body. Let's start on top in the center and let's draw a small curve across. Then on both sides, let's add a curve up and back down for the eyes. And then let's add a circle inside each one for the froggy eyes. And then color both of these in black. Now let's hop to the sides and let's draw a long curve down and bring it in towards the center. And that's it for the shape of the body. Now let's move in and draw the details. We'll start next to the face, and on the side, let's draw a curve for the cheeks. And the same on the right. Now let's hop to the bottom and let's draw a curve up on the left and on the right for the feet. And then let's draw a large circle behind the feet like this. And that's it for Froggy Pusheen. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!